Bitcoin being back around 91.5K here today. We have the stock market starting with the S&P 500 for the US stock market. It is near its all-time high. Okay, it is around 0.01%, and the Nasdaq, the tech stocks with Nvidia and so forth, that is minus 0.1 today. We do have the Dow Jones at minus 0.1, the Russell 2000 up 0.9%, and that, along with all these other indexes, are right at their all-time highs right now. The Russell 2000, again, is about to make a new all-time high, it seems, very, very close to hitting the all-time high. And then the US 30 Wall Street Index is also doing the same. The VIX, the volatility index, is very low. We do have the dollar index breaking down, which is pushing prices up. This is what's helping Bitcoin go up right now, is when the dollar goes down. However, we're bouncing off of this support level, horizontal sideways level here right now. We'll see what happens on the day. If we do break it, then we're going to break below and go right down towards here. We could go right down towards this level, or even lower down towards this bottom level here, right? So we'll see what happens with the dollar index. And then the US 10-year Treasury bond is currently going back up, but it's been trending down the whole year to sideways, which is a bullish catalyst for the markets as well. We do have this crazy Japanese crisis, however. This is the Japanese bonds going out of control in Japan. This means they have so much debt and so much inflation, and it means that the debt is only getting more expensive because interest rates are going up, which means the Japanese government obviously has a debt problem, and they have to, the only way they can solve it is to borrow more, but the only way to borrow more is to pay more at a much higher price. They can only borrow at these higher prices right now, which is really, really bad economic crisis happening in Japan. Plus, it's the Japanese yen unwind, or the Japanese yen carry trade unwinding going on right now also. We can see that reflected in the Japanese yen currency down here, which has been crashing down against the US dollar down to this low point, and then it started to go up as the Central Bank of Japan has started raising their interest rates, right? The pound is pretty steady, the euro is pretty steady. So it's the Japanese yen causing the most volatility in the dollar. Then let's check gold. Gold, guys, is going towards its all-time high again. It's really looking strong up here, right at the top of the range, as you can see. $4,200 the price for gold, and its all-time high is $4,380. So very close to its all-time high. Silver broke out just yesterday. Started exploding above 55. It broke out of the $54 price range, and now it's already hit as high as $59 today, hovering at $56. This is going to go to the moon, because if you zoom out on the silver chart, so metals like gold and silver are going to the absolute moon right now, just breaking out into price discovery mode. So that looks pretty interesting. Other commodities like copper also going up to all-time highs. So, that is not necessarily good for